Hi, if you are facing the problem of downloading Google Drive files with IDM, then this video is really meant for you. On my Google Chrome, as you can see, this file is in Google Drive. But when I try to download, this goes to the default downloader of Chrome, but not with IDM. So, simply pause the download. Right-click on the Google link, and transfer the download to IDM. And easily the download is being done by IDM with resume capability. By this way, you can make your Google Drive download easily with IDM if it is not starting with Internet Download Manager. Hope you liked the video and please be with us to inspire. Goodbye.